bird! You're fucking dead, son. Bang! Oh! You didn't see nothing, Timmy. Timmy! You take this to your fucking grave, you dumb fuck. You didn't see shit. You're dead if you mention this. You're fucking dead! There's another one. You're dead too. I killed Anna. I killed Anna. Actually, can we talk to him? Is that an option? I want to see what he says. Timmy? You didn't see anything, right? What are you doing? You're scaring the pigeons away! Oh. Goodbye. Wow, I'm telling mommy. No, don't tell Nina. Don't tell Nina. You fucking say one thing to Nina and you're dead, kid. You are fucking dead. I'm not fucking around, Timmy.